Okay, so hindi ko na siya yung one by one, because I think Dylan and everyone said what is needed to be said or what we should all do. So then, first of all, I want to say congratulations to each and everyone. I've seen you all work extra hard to really focus and to, you know, get into character. Yeah. You say thank you to me and to Dylan because that really helped you, but you should acknowledge yourself more and give recognition to yourself more because, yeah, Dylan and I taught you, especially Jaren and Kai, but I think it's just within you. Like, you were so teachable the entire week. You were so willing to let go of anything just to be in character and just to, you know, give your all. Yun, kahit, and as I said from the start, there are no such thing as small roles. So when you think about it, everything you all did, we all did, really mattered. So alam na lang, galing nyo. I had goosebumps, me and Ray, the backstage. We have moments that we were about to cry. Nakaka-proud. Like, just, no Monday, I was like, oh my gosh, how are we gonna do this in like less than 6 days? Because honestly, my roommate, as in before, my best friend from theater. So I know how hard they practice, I know how hard they create the script, again, revision, sabi ko, how can we do this? But then at the end of the day, I realized how talented each and every one is. So give yourself some credit, give yourself some recognition. We deserve meat, we deserve meat. We don't know what's gonna happen tonight, but I would just like to say thank you because it was one of the best experiences that I've had here inside the house. And I will forever cherish it. Maybe this is, I don't know if this is gonna be the last time that all 13 of us will be in one play, will be in one hopefully movie, or you know, something like that. So it's really an honor that, you know, I was part of it, and yun lang, like, I'm just so proud, and 96 days.
Everyone, salamat talaga sa effort nila. At masasabi ko lang is dahil dun sa theater na ginawa natin is parang mas napalapit din yung sarili ko sa lahat. The past few days, ang nararamdaman ko kasi parang pag lumako ko sa inyo, awkward talaga ako. So wala talaga ako mag-isip kung paano mag-isabay sa inyo. Kasi naman, ngayon, tama tayo ang theater, mas napalabas ko yung totoong ako. At mas nalapit ko talaga kayo. JL, Vincent, Katay, Ben, Wala, tapos mas na realize ko na mas gusto ko rin na maging part ng talaga. At yun lang everyone, congrats talaga sa akin. Fiang.
Ganda mo.
Go, Fiang.
Ikaw na.
Go, Fiang.
Ate, wala ko sasabihin.
Uy!
Unsa! Where's my sleeve?
Pipinelas pala.
Minyo. Anong kataya, Jay? Yung version mo?
Ipon sa... Ano? Ipon daw sa gabi.
Okay, so I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you. English. Hindi mo kaya. Tumalikod ka. And then, thank you. That's why I'm asking you if kailangan ko na i-boss kasi every time na we were practicing, like, di ba pa-chill-chill lang ako. Like, hindi ko naman talaga nilalabas because I was shy. Hindi ko alam. Baka sabihin pa akong, totoo. Hindi ko alam paano siya Then, ano lang, parang baka sabihin, ang uuwi naman ni bakla, ganyan. Hindi, pag ganon. Pero, yun, that's why I'm asking you din, para din. Kasi, if baka magtodo sila, tas ako hindi. So, parang, baka sabihin ng tao sa akin, alo, bakla, bakit ganyan ka, ganyan, ganyan. Kaya, nung time na sinabi mo na, boss ko na, Mamen. Hindi, pero thank you. Like, madali lang siya for me Then, itong task din talaga na to kasi experience na din ako before na I was in a movie din na that's why parang mabilis na lang sa akin. Pero like, nahirapan lang ako every time na mag-iiyak yung bakla.
Of course.
Parang ang sakit kasi sa ugat, sa utak. Bakit iiyak? Wala man dahilan, doon lang nahirapan. Pero, thanks! JM.
Bro, JM.
Oh, ikaw na. Ano? Bakit? O, di ba? Sabi mo din, bakit ako?
Salamat ka man lang. Nang
Kaya-
gano'n. Kasi nung words na yan.
Oy, doon ka. Doon.
Ayos. Ayun, babalik ko na sa'yo. Ang bago magsalita siguro. Ito muna magpasalamat sa lahat. Nakasleep sa inyo dalawa, hindi lang just. At magandang experience na naranasan ko yung ganito. Kasi hindi naman talaga ako confident sa pagkanta, sa pag-acting. Sa pagsayaw, hindi na rin ako naging confident. Maging magandang karanasan na naibalik yung ganitong sa akin. At siguro hingi na lang din ako ng sorry. Kasi minsan sa practice, hindi ako masyado nagiging seryoso. Pero, kumbaga nature ko lang yun. Kumbaga mas na-execute ko yung isang bagay kapag masaya ako, kapag hindi ako seryoso, hindi ako stricto. Kumbaga, syempre magkakaiba-iba naman tayo. Yun lang, gusto ko lang humingi na sorry. Kasi minsan, kapag masyado akong nagiging masaya, may nahahatak akong iba na halos lahat na. So, minsan, na alam naman natin, may ibang namumuno naman sa atin na kailangan stricto, kailangan ganito, ganyan. So, nasisira ako ba yung diskarte. So, yun lang sorry. Maraming salamat sa lahat. Love you all.
Tatlo na lang ulang, Julie and